So the right side should be the outside and the yellow should be the inside.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Yes or No Item Reviews. And today's item is the Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Crawl Around car. Okay, let's go ahead and unbox it. We have
This one,
this thing,
that thing.
thing number 3, stickers,
And the puzzle.
that's it.
Alright guys, so right now we're going to install the Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Crawl car. So let's start at the back. We're going to put the tailgate first. You will just snap that thing right there. And then this one too, there's 2 here, 1, 2, and there's hole right there. You're going to snap this too. So there you go, we put them together. Next, this one right here. There's 2 side panels. You can see there's like arch here. That's for the tire of the car. Make sure that this one right here, you're gonna put it on the left part of the car, and then this one right here is on the right side of the car. So first, let's install the right. All you have to do is snap this. There's gonna like an open here and holes here that you need to pair right here, okay? And then you need to snap also this part and this part to this hole right here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and this is 1, 2, 3. So you're gonna snap it right there. There you go. Then we're gonna do the other side right there. There you go. Do you see that? That's how it will look like. Before you bolt them, you do like this. You snap them. There you go. Okay, so the back part is good. Okay. So right now we're gonna put the right side door of the car, which is this one right here. This is the right side of the door. This is the one that has the shapes. So the right side should be the outside and the yellow should be the inside interior, okay? There are holes right here. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, you're just gonna match this plastic here to these holes right here, okay? Put it in to show the hole. There you go. And now you're gonna get the yellow part. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 holes, and you're gonna pair it right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the indication that you did it properly, they should be straight here. And all the holes are together. Part right here on the top is open. That means you didn't put the bolt. I mean the screws. So now we're putting the last screw right here. Okay, done. So now we were going to put this one, the car side step of the car. This will go right here underneath. So what's your indication is that 3 holes here. 1, 2, 3, and you need to shoot it 1, 2, 3 right here. And then here is also the same. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But you're going to flip it like that. So make sure you put it in. Make sure it's snap and snap. Now all we have to do is put the bolt. I mean the screw. Now we're gonna screw this part right here. Now we're done. What we're gonna do is put this. Now we're gonna go put the windshield of the car. But make sure before you put this, you're going to install this windshield wiper. Just snap it there and then boom. And make sure that this one is facing up there. This is the diagram right here. They said apply this label exactly as shown in the illustration. Avoid repositioning a label after it has been applied. Before we'll shoot it here, we need to put this sticker right here. Because once you put this right here, it's gonna be hard for you to put the stickers. So you might as well put the sticker putting this because you're gonna unbolt it again. So that's gonna be the next step. Follow the diagram. So as you can see, there is flower here. So it should look like this. There. So sun in the right side and the left side is the rain, okay? Let's put it right here. Now just gonna peel this sticker and then make sure that this one facing the Fisher-Price, not down. No, should be like that. Put it right here. There's like a line there, a hole. It's like a semicircle right there that you need to match it right there. So start up here all the way down there. Press it with your fingers and boom! Next, you're going to put the left side of the sticker. And again, there is another indicator how to put the sticker. There is 1, 2 bumps right there if you can see. 1, 2. And then just put that semicircle cut right there. I'm really careful because I don't like to mess up. There. Now we're good to go. Before you install this right here, you need to put 3 AA batteries. Okay. Now once you do that, you will just put this right here. Make sure that this can move, okay? So right there, guys, in the bottom, just gonna put screws. There is 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that you need to attach. Don't forget. Whoa! Finally, guys, the car is fully installed. It looks like that, okay? We're gonna install the stickers. Did you see there's like a space here? This here are the ABC ladder. So you start from A to N and O to Z. So what we're gonna do is just take it out. There you go. So we're good to that. Next, we're gonna place right here. The left window, there is like a arch here. Place this colorful car on the door. So next, there is wheels here. So 2 pieces of 1 to 5 and then 2 pieces of 6 to 10. So guys, make sure that you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here because the indicator is this sticker right here. It's like a half, there's like a curve here. So here, there's none. So that means that here will be this part right here. Next, we're gonna go on the other side. Right here, there's indicator right here. This one, you should match this here. There you go. Last but not the least, put plate number. So obviously, you're gonna put it here in the front right here. See this square right here? Put in between, in the middle of this part right here. Finally! Don't forget that there should be 3 different shapes with colors. So circle, which is yellow. Square, which is turquoise blue. Green, triangle. On the top of that, you should have 3 balls. Purple ball, orange ball, and like a baby blue ball. He can shoot that shape right there while he's crawling. And then square right here. And then circle right there. And then he can open that and it will be there. Not only that, guys, if you go in the other corner, he can shoot the ball right here and it will go down there. And then he can grab it inside. And here your baby can see this colorful number here. 1, 2, 3, and there's like green color, red and purple. When he goes on the top, he can play this one. So this windshield wiper move to introduce weather. As you can see, it is sunny and rainy days. And now let's move to the dashboard right here. This is the dashboard. Let's turn it on. Volume and then max volume right there, as you can see. So let's try this. Turn it on. There you go. And there's like smart stages right here that you can select from 1 up to 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Because there's like a colorful speedometer. It will gonna light up or you move the steering wheel.
I love this sound, my little car mate.
Your son can touch this for his sensory and motor skills. And this is the horn.
Where should we go?
And it will show here on his windshield. You can press this.
Let's rock.
And like a rock music. A laugh sound.
It's hip hop time.
And hip hop.
Weather today.
And it's so funny because there is like a key right here that he's turning on his car. And there's that sound effect that he's turning on.
Get out.
When the door closes and open, it will gonna create a sound. And he can also count right here. He can put something right here behind. If he has milk, he can put his milk there. So storage right here. Last but not the least, this one right here. He can create this spinning sound.
So, is this item right for you? Let me know your opinion in the comment section below. And if you learned something, please consider liking and subscribing because it lets us know that these reviews are actually helping you. If you want this specific item, the link is in the description below. Until then, we will see you at the next item.